Good evening, everyone. It's now 2025, July 18th, and we've just celebrated our 13th anniversary. After celebrating our 13th anniversary on this joyful day, we're also welcoming our latest product launch event. This significant product launch is also the direct and tangible result of the invaluable and constructive feedback we have received from each and every one of our esteemed customers and dedicated agents. Their insightful suggestions have profoundly inspired us, truly driving us to innovate fearlessly and continuously, and to thoughtfully infuse our exceptional products with fresh, groundbreaking, and truly transformative new ideas. We believe that only in this way can our products better meet the needs of our customers and the demands of the market. Here, I want to express my sincere gratitude to all our agents and customers. Secondly, what is it? The second point is that for this generation's product launch, we spent a whole year preparing in advance. Over the course of this year, we handled so many things, and none of it would have been possible without the hard work of Lipai's 1,400 employees. These team members, these employees, the people of Lipai, they have shed blood, sweat, and tears in their respective positions, and that's how we were able to complete these new products. I know everyone is looking forward to this, and I am also very excited. So, what exactly is the third crucial point? Here at Lipai, as we are consistently moving forward, it's not merely about crafting truly great and exceptional products. It is fundamentally because we have meticulously established a robust and comprehensive quality control system that ensures excellence. Lipai has developed its own independent and original quality control system. This quality system not only incorporates ISO 9001 and CE quality and safety standards, but also forms our unique and distinctive quality control framework. Under this control system, we are able to produce all standardized products. Every oil pipe and every screw handled by each employee is standardized. And every inspection carried out by each employee is also standardized. This way, we ensure that what we produce is of the highest quality, rather than relying on inspections to find the best quality products. With this as the foundation, all of us at Lipai, through this quality control system, are able to perfectly produce qualified products that meet market demands. Okay? So what's the fourth point? Even if we produce products with the highest quality, there will still be some that slip through the cracks. So what should we do about that? That's when we started building our service system. We've prepared a large number of spare parts in various locations around the world, so that when our customers encounter damage while using our products, they can replace the parts promptly. At the same time, we've also meticulously created a comprehensive user manual, which is truly excellent. It thoroughly covers everything: detailed usage, essential safety, proper maintenance, effective repair, and seamless operation, all thoughtfully included in this brand new edition of the manual. So, is that all? No, it's not. We've also added a parts manual so that every part can be identified by customers, allowing them to find the parts they need by consulting the manual. This way, even if something slips through the cracks or if a quality issue arises due to improper customer operation, we can still resolve it promptly. Here, I would like to once again extend my sincere gratitude to Daler, our valued customers, as well as all of our dedicated employees and trusted suppliers at Lipai, and indeed everyone who consistently supports Lipai. I sincerely thank each and every one of you here today and truly wish this new product launch event great and resounding success. All right, thank you everyone. Next, let's invite William to introduce the product to everyone.
Good morning, esteemed guest partners and the incredible Rippa family. What an exhilarating day it is to gather here at the forefront of innovation to witness a pivotal moment in our journey. Welcome to the Rippa 2025 Summer Launch event. We are thrilled to have you join us as we unveil the future of intelligent machinery, a future shaped by relentless dedication, groundbreaking engineering, and an unwavering commitment to our users. Today, we stand on the precipice of a new era, an era where intelligence meets power, where efficiency intervenes with sustainability, and where every challenge is met with a revolutionary solution. At Rippa Intelligence, our mission has always been clear: to innovate the future. We don't just build machines, we craft the tools that empower industries, elevate productivity, and redefine what's possible. And leading this charge, driving our vision forward with unparalleled passion and expertise, are our visionary leaders, Jackie Yan and Tommy. Their leadership has been instrumental in steering Rippa towards new horizons, and today you will see the fruits of that collective labor. Prepare to be inspired, to be amazed, and to witness the next leap forward in intelligent machinery. The future is not just coming, it's here, it's Rippa. Let's begin. Before we dive into the exciting innovations we are about to be revealed, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey we have shared. Just last month, in July, Rippa achieved a monumental milestone, a sales volume breakthrough of 100 million RMB. This isn't just a number, it's a testament to your trust, your belief in our products, and the hard work of every single individual within Rippa family. It signifies the growing demand for intelligent, reliable, and high-performance machinery that truly makes a difference in the field. But our success isn't just measured in a sales figure. It's also reflected in the tangible impact we are making on the ground. In July alone, we proudly delivered an astounding 17,230 units of Rippa intelligent machinery to our valued customers worldwide. Each unit represents a commitment to excellence of promise of enhanced productivity and a step forward in empowering industries globally. Now let's take our attention to the heart of today's event, the groundbreaking advancements that will redefine your operational experience. At Rippa, we believe in continuous evolution, in pushing the boundaries of what's possible to deliver unparalleled value to our customers. Today, we're thrilled to announce a comprehensive suite of upgrades, meticulously designed to enhance performance, elevate safety, and maximize efficiency across our product lines. Our commitment to innovation is evident in two key areas. Firstly, we're introducing a range of upgraded features that will now come standard across all series. This means that regardless of the model you choose, you will benefit from a new level of quality, durability, and user-centric design. These are not just minor tweaks. These are fundamental enhancements that reflect our dedication to providing the best possible tools for your success. Secondly, we have implemented exclusive upgrades tailored to specific models, including the R10-6, R13-4, R15-5, R18-5, R22-3, and R32-4, and the remastered RS06-2. These targeted improvements address the unique demands and operational nuances of each machine, ensuring that every Rippa product delivers optimized performance for its intended application. From enhanced control system to improve the comfort and expanded the functionality, these exclusive upgrades are set to transform your daily operations. Over the next hour, we will delve into each of these advancements in detail, showcasing how we translate into tangible benefits for you. Prepare to witness a new benchmark in intelligent machinery, where every upgrade is a step towards a more productive, safer, and more profitable future. Let's explore these innovations together. We begin with a segment that truly embodies our commitment to universal excellence. The upgraded features now standard across all Rippa series. These are not optional add-ons. They are fundamental enhancements integrated into every machine, ensuring that every Rippa owner experiences superior quality, safety, and efficiency that from day one. Our goal is to set a new industry benchmark, making advanced features accessible to all. First, let's talk about protection. We understand that your work environment can be demanding, and the safety of your operator is paramount. That's why we have meticulously re-engineering our roof cover. The traditional iron roof cover has been upgraded to a high-performance PP material. This isn't just a material change. It's a significant leap forward in durable and operator comfort. The new PP roof cover boasts an incredible 50% more impact resistance, providing an unparalleled shield against the falling debris and unexpected impacts. The enhanced resilience means a greater peace of mind and a safer work environment for your team. Building on our commitment to safety, we are proud to announce that an advanced impact protection mask is now standard across all Rippa models. This robust mask is not just a barrier, it's a meticulously engineered safety feature designed to provide the maximum protection for the operator. We have rigorously tested and refined this mask. The results are truly remarkable. It offers an astounding 69% more resistance against impacts. This means significantly enhanced protection from flying debris, rocks, or any unforeseen hazards that may arise in the demanding work environments. This upgrade underscores our proactive approach to operator safety. We believe that every operator deserves the highest level of protection, allowing them to focus on their tasks with confidence and peace of mind. The integration of this high-resistance impact protection mask across our entire fleet is a clear demonstration of Rippa's unwavering dedication to setting new safety standards in the industry. It is about safeguarding your most valued asset, your people, and ensuring that every workday is as secure as it is productive. Efficiency in maintenance is just as crucial as operational efficiency. We understand that every minute spent on maintenance is a minute away from productivity. That's why we have introduced a seemingly small yet profoundly impactful upgrade. Added pointed grease fittings. This enhancement is designed to streamline your maintenance routine and significantly improve lubrication efficiency. These new fittings allow for more precise and effective lubrication, ensuring that critical components receive the exact amount of grease needed, right where it's needed most. The result? An impressive 35% increase in lubrication efficiency. This means less time spent on maintenance, reduced grease consumption, and an extended lifespan for your machine's moving parts. It's about making maintenance faster, simpler, and more effective, ultimately contributing to a higher uptime and greater profitability for your operations. At Rippa, we believe that even the smallest details can make the biggest difference in your overall operational experience. Operator comfort and cabin hygiene are often overlooked, but they are vital for productive and pleasant working environments. We have listened to your feedback and are pleased to announce that our floor mats have been upgraded to a high-quality rubber mats. This seemingly simple change brings a multitude of benefits to your daily operations. Firstly, these new rubber pads are inherently slip-resistant, providing a more secure footing for operators, especially in wet or muddy conditions. This enhances safety and reduces the risk of accidents within the cab. Secondly, their robust construction makes them incredibly durable, capable of withstanding the rigors of heavy-duty use without tearing or degrading. And perhaps most importantly, for daily operations, they are exceptionally easy to clean. Spills, dirt, and debris can be easily wiped away, maintaining a clean and professional workplace. This upgrade reflects our commitment to enhancing every aspect of the operator's experience, ensuring comfort, safety, and ease of maintenance within the cab. Visibility is paramount for safe and efficient operation, especially in challenging conditions or low light environments. That's why we have significantly upgraded our headlights, warning lights, and rear view mirrors across all models. This comprehensive enhancement is designed to provide wider visibility and ultimately enhance the safety assurance for every operator. Our new headlights offer a brighter, more expansive beam, illuminating your work area with greater clarity and reducing blind spots. The upgraded warning lights are more prominent and effective, ensuring that your machine is highly visible to others on the job site. Further mitigating risks, and the redesigned rear mirror provide a broader field of view, allowing operators to have a more complete understanding of their surroundings, whether backing up or maneuvering in tight spaces.
The next one is the in-solution. In-solution content. All the mini excavator, we repeat the information, and we can have a video.
Now, let's shift our focus to a model that has been a workhorse for many of you, and one that we have given special attention to, the R10-6. We're incredibly excited to unveil a series of exclusive upgrades designed specifically for this machine, pushing its capabilities to new heights and delivering an unparalleled operating experience. For the R10-6, we have completely reimagined the operator's environment with brand new cab upgrade. This isn't just a facelift, it's a fundamental redesign focused on three core pillars: comfort, safety, and intelligence. We believe that a comfortable operator is a productive operator, and a safe environment is non-negotiable. This new cab is engineered to unlock a truly brand new operating experience. Step in, you will immediately notice the enhanced ergonomics. Every control is intuitively placed, reducing operator fatigue during long shifts. The interior is more spacious, providing ample room for movement and improved visibility. But Comfort goes hand in hand with safety. The new cab features reinforced structures and improved sidelines, further protecting the operator from external hazards. And finally, the intelligence. Integrated smart features provide real-time operational data, diagnostics, and intuitive controls, making complex tasks simpler and more efficient. This new cab transforms the R10-6 into an extension of the operator, fostering a seamless and highly productive working relationship. It's about empowering you with a workspace that is not just functional, but truly exceptional. To complement the enhanced capabilities of the R10-6, we have also implemented a significant upgrade to its counterweight. This might seem like a subtle change, but its impact on the machine's stability, lifting capacity, and overall performance is profound. The counterweight is a critical component that directly influences the machine's balance and operational safety, especially when handling heavy loads or working on uneven terrain. Our engineers have meticulously redesigned and optimized the R10-6 counterweight, ensuring superior stability and increased lifting power. This upgrade allows the R10-6 to handle more demanding tasks with greater confidence and precision, expanding its versatility across a wider range of applications. Whether you are lifting, digging, or maneuvering, the enhanced counterweight provides the solid foundation you need for maximum efficiency and safety. Moving forward, we are excited to introduce a series of exclusive upgrades for our R13-4, R15-5, R18-5, R22-3, and R32-4 models. These enhancements are specifically designed to elevate the operational precision, versatility, and safety of these powerful machines, ensuring they meet the evolving demands of modern construction and excavation. At the heart of precise machine control lies a pilot handle. For these models, we have introduced a newly upgraded pilot handle with enhanced button functionality. This is a significant step forward in ergonomic design and operational efficiency. The new handle features intuitively placed buttons, allowing operators to execute complex maneuvers with greater ease and precision, reducing the need to shift hands or break concentration. This upgrade translates directly into smoother, more responsive control, enabling operators to perform intricate tasks with unparalleled accuracy. Whether it's fine grading, delicate lifting, or precise digging, the enhanced pilot handle provides the tactile feedback and the intermediate response needed for superior performance. It's about making the machine an extension of the operator's will, leading to higher productivity and reduced fatigue. Versatility is key in today's diverse work environments. To empower our operators with greater adaptability, we're making the hydraulic thumb clip and hydraulic quick change standard on these models. This integration significantly expands the range of tasks your machine can perform, allowing for rapid and efficient attachment changes without leaving the cab. The hydraulic thumb clip provides exceptional gripping capability, transforming your excavator into a highly versatile material handler, perfect for tasks like brush clearing, rock replacement, or demolition. Coupled with the hydraulic quick change system, operators can seamlessly switch between buckets, hammers, and other attachments in minutes, maximizing uptime and productivity. This means less time spent on manual changes and more time on the job, directly impacting your bottom line. Safety remains our top priority, especially when dealing with powerful hydraulic systems. To ensure the utmost security during attachment changes, we have implemented a dual protection application for the hydraulic quick change switch. This innovative safety feature provides an additional layer of security, preventing accidental detachment of implements. This dual protection mechanism requires a specific sequence of actions to engage or disengage attachments, significantly reducing the risk of human error. It's a testament to our commitment to creating machines that are not only powerful and efficient, but also inherently safe. This feature provides operators with complete confidence during quick changes, knowing that their attachments are securely locked in place. Underneath the robust exterior, the efficiency and longevity of a machine depend heavily on internal systems. For these models, we have made critical improvements to the hydraulic infrastructure by incorporating 4 high-pressure oil pipes and a complete relayout of the pipelines. This engineering refinement addresses both performance and durability. The addition of 4 high-pressure oil pipes ensures a more robust and a constant flow of hydraulic fluid, leading to improved power delivery and responsiveness of all hydraulic functions. This is particularly beneficial when operating demanding attachments. Furthermore, meticulous relayout of all pipelines optimizes flow, reduces potential points of wear and tear, and simplifies maintenance access. This thoughtful design minimizes friction, enhances cooling, and extends the lifespan of the hydraulic system, ensuring your machine operates at peak performance for longer. It's a commitment to internal excellence that translates into external reliability and efficiency. We understand that operators come from various backgrounds and are accustomed to different control methodologies. To ensure maximum comfort and familiarity and productivity, we have integrated the capability to seamlessly switch between SAE and ISO control patterns. This means that whether your operators are trained on the SAE standard or ISO standard, they can operate these Rippa machines with their preferred control theme. This feature eliminates the learning curve associated with adapting to a new control pattern, allowing operators to be immediately productive and confident. It enhances safety by reducing the potential for errors due to unfamiliar controls. The switch is easily accessible within the cab, allowing for quick and efficient changes to suit individual operator preferences or specific job site requirements. This flexibility underscores Rippa's commitment to user-centric design, ensuring that our machines adapt to your needs, not the other way around. It's about empowering every operator to perform at their best every single day. As we delve deeper into the specialized enhancements, we arrive at a critical site of upgrades for our R18-5, R22-3, and R32-4 models. These improvements are designed to significantly bolster safety and expand the functional versatility of these powerful machines, addressing critical operational needs and opening up new possibilities for their application. Safety is not just a feature at Rippa, it's a fundamental principle embedded in every design decision. For these models, we are proud to announce the addition of an explosion-proof valve. This critical safe component is a game changer, providing an essential layer of protection against the potential hazards in the field. In the unlikely event of a hydraulic hose rupture or system failure, this valve immediately activates to stop the boom from free falling. This prevents uncontrolled descent and could lead to severe injury to personnel or extensive damage to the machine and surrounding property. It acts as an automatic safeguard and ensuring that even under extreme circumstances, the boom remains stable and controllable. This proactive safety measure underscores our unwavering commitment to protecting your most valuable assets, your operators, and your investment. It's about building machines that are not only robust and powerful, but also inherently safe, giving you complete peace of mind during every operation. Expanding the versatility of our machine is always a priority, and for these models, we have introduced a new return oil line specifically designed for mower attachments. This seemingly specialized upgrade has far-reaching implications for the functionality and efficiency of your R18-5, R22-3, and R32-4. This dedicated return line ensures a more efficient and stable hydraulic flow when operating high-demand attachments like mowers. The result is expanded functionality, allowing these machines to seamlessly integrate with and power a wider range of specialized tools. Furthermore, it provides a stable connection, minimizing pressure fluctuations and ensuring constant power delivery to the attachments. This translates to stronger power and more reliable performance, enabling your machine to tackle demanding tasks with greater ease and precision. Whether you are clearing land, maintaining larger areas, or engaging in other specialized applications, this dedicated return line ensures that your Rippa machine is equipped to handle the job with optimal power and efficiency. It's about unlocking new capabilities and maximizing your machine's potential. We now move to a set of exclusive upgrades for our larger R22-3 and R32-4 models, focusing on operator comfort and well-being during extended periods of operation. We understand that long hours in the cab can take a toll, and our commitment is to ensure that your operator remain comfortable, alert, and productive throughout their workday. For the R22-3 and R32-4, we are introducing a significant enhancement to the operator station. The cab is now equipped with an adjustable air suspension seat. This is not merely a seat, this is a sophisticated economic solution designed to provide unparalleled comfort and support, even in the most challenging terrains and demanding conditions. The air suspension system actively absorbs vibrations and shocks, significantly reducing operator fatigue and discomfort. This means less strain on the back and body and allowing operator to maintain focus and productivity for longer periods. Furthermore, the seat is fully adjustable, allowing each operator to customize the settings to their individual preferences, including height, recline, and lumbar support. This personalized comfort translates directly into improved operator well-being, reduced risk of injury, and ultimately higher efficiency on the job site. It's a clear demonstration of Rippa's dedication to prioritize the human element in heavy machinery design. Beyond the physical comfort, the quality of the air within the cab provides a crucial role in operator health and alertness. That's why we are proud to announce that the cabs of the R22-3 and R32-4 are now equipped with a state-of-the-art fresh air system. This system ensures continuous fresh air circulation, creating a healthy and comfortable workspace for your operators. In environments where dust, fumes, or other airborne particles can be prevalent, maintaining clean air inside the cabin is essential. Our new fresh air system actively filters out contaminants, providing a constant supply of clean, breathable air. This not only enhances operator comfort, but also contributes significantly to their long-term health, reduces the risk of respiratory issues. A healthy operator is a productive operator, and this system is a testament to our holistic approach to creating optimal working conditions. It's about ensuring that every breath your operator takes inside a Rippa machine is a breath of fresh, clean air, allowing them to perform at their best safely and comfortably. Now, let's turn our attention to a model that has undergone a complete transformation, a true remastering of excellence, the RS06-2. This compact yet powerful machine has been meticulously re-engineered and upgraded across multiple facets to deliver unparalleled performance, versatility, and the operator comfort. The new RS06-2 is not just an evolution, it is a revelation in its class. At the core of the remastered RS06-2's enhanced performance are significantly improvements to its foundation and power plants. We have increased the track width of the RS06-2 to a robust 230 mm. This wider stance directly translates to superior stability, especially when operating on uneven terrain or handling heavier loads. This enhanced stability provides operators with greater confidence and control, allowing for more precise and efficient work. Powering this formidable mission is the renowned Kubota D1105E4B CWL-1 engine. Kubota engines are synonymous with reliability, fuel efficiency, and robust power delivery, ensuring that the RS06-2 has the muscle to tackle demanding tasks with ease. Complementing this powerful engine is a load-sensitive plunger pump. This advanced hydraulic pump intelligently adjusts its output based on the load amount, ensuring optimal power delivery, reduced fuel consumption, and precise control over all hydraulic functions. This combination of a wider track, a reliable engine, and an intelligent hydraulic system makes the RS06-2 a true power horse in its category. Versatility in movement is crucial for adapting to diverse job site requirements. The new RS06-2 model now features two distinct working models: low speed at 4 km per hour and high speed at about 8 km per hour. This dual speed capability caters to the demands of various scenarios, providing operators with optimal control and efficiency. The low speed mode is perfectly suited to precise operations or scenarios that require smooth, deliberate movements. This ensures accurate and safe operation when navigating confined spaces, performing delicate tasks, or working in an area where meticulous control is paramount. Conversely, the high-speed mode is designed for scenarios that demand rapid movement or enhanced work efficiency. Whether you are traversing longer distances on the job site or need to quickly reposition the machine, the high-speed mode significantly improves operational efficiency, saving valuable time. This intelligent dual-speed system empowers operators to choose the optimal speed for the task at hand, maximizing productivity and control. Operator comfort is paramount for sustained productivity, and we have paid close attention to every detail in the RS06-2. The new model features an ergonomic lumbar cushion designed to provide exceptional support and comfort during long operating hours. This cushion is meticulously crafted to be curve-fitting, comforting to the natural curvature of the operator's spine, thereby reducing pressure points and minimizing fatigue. Furthermore, the lumbar cushion offers an adjustable height and angle, allowing each operator to customize their seating position for optimal ergonomic support. This personalized comfort not only enhances the operator's well-being, but also directly contributes to their efficiency and focus throughout the workday. It's a small detail that makes a significant difference in the overall operating experience, ensuring that operators remain comfortable and productive. For superior traction, stability, and durability, the RS06-2's driving system now utilizes triangular tracks. These tracks are not only widened and thickened for enhanced ground contact and reduced ground pressure, but they also incorporate double-row guide wheels. This robust design ensures exceptional stability and smooth operation, even in challenging terrains. Adding to its versatility, the RS06-2 can be optionally equipped with 5 idler wheels and adjustable counterweights. This allows operators to fine-tune the machine's balance and weight distribution according to the specific job requirements, further enhancing stability and performance when working with various attachments or on different ground conditions. This advanced driving system provides the RS06-2 with unmatched agility and power, making it a reliable partner for any task. In today's fast-paced work environment, the ability to adapt quickly is a significant advantage. The RS06-2 is engineered for maximum versatility, allowing it to quickly replace various compatible assistive devices. This means operators can seamlessly switch between a wide array of attachments, transforming the machine to suit different tasks and applications with minimal downtime. This rapid attachment change capability significantly enhances the RS06-2's utility, making it an incredibly versatile tool for a multitude of jobs, from digging and trenching to grading and material handling. It's about maximizing your investment by enabling one machine to perform the work of many, boosting productivity and operational flexibility. What you have just witnessed is the culmination of our relentless pursuit of excellence. The dynamic visuals showcased in the power, precision, and versatility of our newly upgraded Rippa intelligent machinery. From the robust R series to the agile and remastered R06-2, every machine is a testament to our commitment to innovation and quality. We saw the enhanced safety features in action and improved operator comfort, the seamless integration of advanced technology that makes these machines not just tools, but true partners in productivity. Today, we have taken you through a journey of significant advancements, each meticulously designed to empower your operations and elevate your capabilities. We started with the universal enhancements, now standard across all models, ensuring that every Rippa machine delivers superior safety, durability, and ease of maintenance. The new PP roof cover and impact protection mask underscores our dedication to operator safety. while the pointed grease fittings and rubber floor mats streamline maintenance and enhance comfort. The upgraded lighting and mirrors ensure unparalleled visibility, making every operation safer and more efficient. We then delved into the exclusive upgrades for specific models. The R10-6 now boasts a revolutionary new cab, offering unmatched comfort, intelligence, and safety, alongside an optimized counterweight for superior stability. For the R13-4, R15-5, R18-5, R22-3, and R32-4, we introduced the newly upgraded pilot handle for precise control, standard hydraulic thumb clip, and quick change for enhanced versatility, and a dual protection system for the quick change switch, all supported by a relayed pipeline system for robust hydraulic performance. The flexibility of SAE as ISO control patterns on the R15-5, R18-5, R22-3, and R32-4 ensures adaptability to any operator's preference. Furthermore, the R18-5, R22-3, and R32-4 now feature an essential explosion-proof valve for ultimate safety and a dedicated return oil line for mower attachments, expanding their functional scope, and for the larger R22-3 and R32-4. The adjustable air suspension seat and fresh air system redefine operator comfort and health, ensuring peak performance throughout long shifts. Finally, the remastered RS06-2 stands as a beacon of comprehensive innovation, with its wider tracks for enhanced stability, powerful Kubota engine, and load-sensitive pump, its dual-speed walking mode, ergonomic lumbar cushion, triangular tracks, quick attachment replacement, and sophisticated double attachment oil circle design, complete with dual pilot handles and a leveling valve, make it an incredibly versatile and efficient machine for any task. These are not just incremental changes, they are transformative leaps forward, designed to provide you with machines that are more powerful, safer, and more comfortable, and ultimately more profitable. At Rippa, we're not just building equipment, we're engineering your success. And now, for the moment you have all been waiting for. Now, after witnessing the incredible advancements and innovations we have brought to the Rippa intelligent machinery lineup, you might be wondering about the investment required to bring these cutting-edge machines into operations. We believe that superior quality, advanced technology, and unparalleled performance should also come with an exceptional value. And today, we are thrilled to announce pricing that reflects our commitment to making these revolutionary machines accessible to you. We are proud to offer these upgraded Rippa machines at a truly unbeatable value. Our goal is to empower your business with the best tools on the market, ensuring a rapid return on your investment through increased productivity, reduced downtime, and enhanced operational efficiency. These are not just machines, they are strategic assets designed to propel your business forward in an increasingly comprehensive landscape. We encourage you to speak with our sales representatives immediately after this representation to learn more about specific models, configurations, and special launch offers that are available for a limited time. As we conclude today's presentation, I want to extend my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us on this exciting journey. Your presence here today is testament to your shared vision for a more efficient, safer, and intelligent future. At Rippa, we're not just a building machine for today. We are engineering solutions for tomorrow. Our commitment to innovation is unwavering. We will continue to push the boundaries of technology, listen to your invaluable feedback, and strive to deliver products that not only meet but exceed your expectations. The future of intelligent machinery is bright, and we are honored to have you as our partners in shaping it. Together, we will continue to innovate, to lead, and to build a future where every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Thank you for your time and your attention, and your continued trust in Rippa. We look forward to seeing the incredible achievements you will unlock with our new lineup. The future is Rippa, and the future is now.